Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Touhou Lost Word. To begin, familiarize yourself with the turn-based combat where characters take turns attacking. Each character has unique abilities and roles, so understanding their strengths is key. Prioritize completing the main story quests first, as this unlocks new features and provides essential resources. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success in your journey through Gensakayo. To strengthen your team, focus on character upgrades. Use experience materials to level up your characters, increasing their base stats significantly. Enhance their abilities further by investing spirit prowess and skill points into their unique skills. Don't forget to equip story cards, which provide powerful passive bonuses and can drastically alter combat performance. A well-upgraded team is crucial for tackling tougher challenges and progressing through the game's content. Successful combat in Touhou Lost Word relies on smart strategy. Construct balanced teams, ensuring you have a mix of attackers, defenders, and support characters. Exploit elemental weaknesses of your enemies to deal significantly more damage, often 2 times or even 3 times the normal amount. Master your character's spell cards and last words, which are devastating special attacks that can turn the tide of battle. Strategic use of these abilities is vital for victory. Efficient resource management is key to long-term progress. Make sure to complete your daily quests. They offer a consistent stream of valuable resources like experience materials and coins. Actively participate in limited-time events to earn exclusive characters, story cards, and other rare items. Carefully manage your seal crystals, the premium currency, and your regular coins, spending them wisely on upgrades and summons to maximize your team's potential.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.